Marhaba. In this video, I'll be talking about the preposition in, not inside, just in, because there are some differences and I will talk about inside in a later video. Preposition in is used to express location or a time period. In Levantine Arabic is be, and it can be bil. You can pronounce it the same way you say bil. But to make it short, we type it bil, BL. So you have B, and B plus al-ta'rif becomes bil. Now, I hope that at this stage, you know that there are some words that begin with al-ta'rif. Let me give you some examples. When I say the key is in the pocket, El.Mufta7 BL.Jebeh, because the pocket in Levantine Arabic is El.Jebeh, starts with al-ta'rif. But if I say the key is in my pocket, now my pocket in Arabic is Jebti, my pocket. El.Mufta7 BL.Jebeh. There is no al-ta'rif. Let's do another example. I live in France. Now France in Arabic is Faransa. So أنا عايش بفرنسا. But let's say I live in America. America in Arabic is also America. So أنا عايش بأمريكا. But if you want to say I live in the United States, United States in Arabic is الولايات المتحدة. Now it starts with al. So we use bil. أنا عايش بالولايات المتحدة. So that's in expressing location. Now if you use in to express time or age, it's almost always bil. She is in her 20s. هي BL.3shreenat. This happened in 1950, for example. هذا صار بال1950. بال1950. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to keep my videos as short as possible so you don't get bored. So I'm sorry about the long one. Unless you guys are okay with it, let me know. Salam.